Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make the perfect Facebook cover that is visible on both mobile and the desktop device. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Simply, I've already opened the Illustrator. My version is 2023, that is latest. I will click on New File. Okay, and the new file, make sure the width is 820 pixels and height is 360 pixels, and make sure the pixels is selected. After that, make sure that color mode is RGB color and the raster effect should be set to high 300 ppi, and click on create. Okay, so our artboard has created. Now I will tell you first the size guides, how it will work. In the artboard, draw a shape here like this, and from here I will erase the stroke. I will remove the stroke, and I will keep the fill. And now I cannot just simply do it from here, so I will do this from here. Make sure the width of this box must be 90 pixels. Okay, 90 pixels, and align it to the left like this. Okay, now I will copy this box and I will paste the other copy here like this, and this also must be of 90 pixels. And now create another box here like this in the horizontal form, and now make sure the width should be like 820 pixels and height should be 24 pixels. Okay, now of this box, make sure the height is 24 pixels and the width is 820 pixels, and align it to the middle and then to the top. And also then make the copy here and align it to here. Now this is our boxes. Now I will change the colors so that you can identify what the box is doing, as like identifying which thing. I'll change the color to this. Okay, now you're seeing these horizontal lines. These are 24 pixels wide. I will write it here, 24 pixels wide. Okay, I'll simply press it here and I'll change the color to here. Okay, so these lines are 24 pixels wide, and this line is also 24 pixels wide. And now these two lines, like these horizontal lines that are 24 pixels in height, 24 pixels in height, this area will not be visible on the desktop. All right, and now this area, these blue lines you are seeing that are, I guess, 90 pixels wide, 90 pixels. These lines, this area is not visible on the mobile device. So we are left with this area, and this is the area, the white area you are seeing is actually visible on both on your mobile and also on your desktop. So I will name it as Safe Zone. Okay, so what do you mean by safe zone? A safe zone means that you will write that content, or you will keep that content in the safe zone that is important, like that is completing the purpose of Facebook code. All right, and I will leave the the unimportant area, unimportant designs or unimportant content in those areas which are cropped. Like these are the cropped regions. So I will keep an unimportant things, unimportant content in this area. So like if I'm writing, okay, I will make the copy of it here like this, and now I will write something in this area like this. If I'm writing this, I will welcome to ski Ryzel. Okay, and now our keep shot. Now just make sure that your text, like this is the text that is important text I want to be included in the cover. I want to make it visible on both desktop and mobile device. So I will keep it in the safe zone. If I will keep it in this region, so this cannot be seen to the people who are seeing our Facebook cover or opening our Facebook page on mobile device. So I will keep it in this region, and this area will and in this way the above area will not be visible to those people who are visiting our page or cover on the desktop. So that's why I will keep it in the safe zone. In these zones which are like unimportant or anything like that, I will design it a little bit. That's not a very good design. I will not recommend you design these kind of covers. I'm just showing you for an example. Okay, I will keep it this way. And in these areas, like these all, okay, I will remove these things, 24 pixels, and from here I will Jarvis. Now I will simply just create any design here, like this, and I will increase the stroke. I will change the color to like something like yellow. And I will make some copies out of it, of this and this, and I will keep the size a little bit larger. It goes, and I will place them here, and I will also place them here. And in this area, I will design something like a circle there, if you can see on my screen. Okay, there is a circle here, and I will also draw another circle here. And I will delete these lines that are just for guidance. I will delete these lines, and now I will show you. So this is my cover, and I will show you in the presentation mode. So you can see you will keep these things like these yellow lines, the design that are the part of the cover, but these are unimportant things. So I will keep it in that zone, and I will keep the important content in the safe zone. So I will also drop down the image. You can also see that. I will also show you this one, so you can see and save it for the later. And there you will see this is your Facebook cover. This will be cropped in mobile devices, and this video will be cropped in desktop devices. So this is your safe zone that is visible on both mobile and on your desktop, laptop, or PC, or anything like that. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.